Level 6, Unit 14, dividing the numbers up to 50 by 2 through 9. Unit 14.1, we're dividing numbers up to 30 by 2 through 6. Example A, 13 divided by 2. There's not a multiplication fact that you can multiply times 2 that would equal 13. So which one is closest but remains smaller than 13? That would be 6. 6 times 2 is 12. When we take 12 away from 13, we will then have a remainder of 1. Let's look at example B. What number divided by 5 equals 2 remainder 3? We have to work backwards here. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus our remainder of 3 gives us a beginning number of 13. Unit 14.2, dividing the numbers up to 35 by 4 through 8. Example A, 17 divided by 4. We need the multiplication fact that's going to give us closest to 17 but remain less than 17. That would be 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Once you take the 16 away, how many is left over? We will have a remainder of 1. Example B, 35 divided by what number equals 7? Well, what number that we multiply by 7 would equal 35? That number is 5. Unit 14.3, dividing the numbers up to 40 by 5 through 9. Example A, 30 divided by 7. The multiplication fact that gives us the number closest to 30 but still remains less than 30 is 4. 7 times 4 is 28. How much would we have left over after we take away 28? That's going to give us a remainder of 2. Example B. What number divided by 5 is going to give us 4 remainder 2? When we work backwards, we would take 4 times 5, which is 20, plus the remainder of 2 is going to give us a beginning number of 22. Unit 14.4, dividing the numbers up to 45 by 6 through 9. 25 divided by 6. Think through your multiplication facts of 6's and you will determine that 4 times 6 is the closest number to 25 but less than 25. That is 24. So now if I take 24 away from 25, I have a remainder of 1. Example B. What number divided by 9 equals 4 remainder 6? When we work backwards, we take 4 times 9, which is 36, plus the 6 that was our remainder to give us a beginning number of 42. Unit 14.5, dividing the numbers up to 50 by 2 through 9. Example A. What number divided by 6 equals 7 remainder 4? Work backwards here, and we take 7 times 6, which is 42, plus the 4 that was our remainder gives us a beginning number of 46.